What's good, trappers? It's your boy, the Wallstreet Trap. Y'all know my goal is to help the culture build wealth one share at a time. So people always often ask me, Trapper, now how you got into investing? How you was able to break this complex knowledge down and regurgitate us in the way that you do? So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna give y'all what I call the trap commandments, right? So you gotta stick to these commandments. You gotta adhere to them, because this is what made me not only a good trapper, but it made me a good investor. So one of the things which makes me a good investor is because first and foremost, I was a good businessman. Now it doesn't matter that you want to say that my business was illegal. It still was an enterprise. And an enterprise has rules and regulations, right? So being an investor is kind of go one and the same. So one of the things that I look for when I'm looking for a business, as I look for on the street, was product, right? I needed to understand that my product was a good product, right? So in investing, I want to understand, does this business has a good product? How do you know if the business has a good product? Easy. In the streets, you look at the fiends, or you look at the people who using the product. Whereas in the investing world, we look at the same thing, reviews on a product. We go to the stores. If this product is always sold out, or if this product is always getting refilled, or people are always talking about the product. Prime example, Popeye's chicken sandwich was a good product, right? So it's one of the things we want to look at. Now we also want to look at the longevity of the product. Is the product a trend, right? So is it something fast that came out that didn't last long and it wavered off? We don't want that kind of product. We want a product that's sustainable, right? So we look at that, we think about Coca-Cola. This is a product that has been sustainable for years. Even though they come up with other products off of that brand, the red can that says Coca-Cola is a sustainable product. It's one of the things we want to look at, family. Try it with me.